Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. It's continuing with, I think you're following up about ISEC in Uganda National Education Circle in Marketing Department. So let's today talk about marketing calendar implementation and how to successfully implement your marketing calendar. What is inside is I'm going to talk about three steps of implementation, which is expectation, selection, and follow-up. Also, we're going to talk about good case practice. Good case practice, we're going also to look on how we're going to look, how we're going to practice good cases, how we're going to practice what's went well. Let's go. Uh, why is it implementation of marketing calendar is important? Creating a marketing calendar is important, but it's nothing without implementation. Implementation ensures that the calendar is being followed and therefore that you are doing the activities needed to fill your necessary supply or opens. So if you design your content calendar and you didn't implement it, that's nothing. It's a frustrated. That means you did something which is not remarkable, not usable. So it's like you didn't or you never had such calendar. The three steps of implementation of market calendar: how to make your market dream a reality, how to make it happen. First step is expectation. Ensure that everyone in your LLC is on the same page. Everyone in your LLC, so you can deal with everyone calendar in your LLC. So you should consider everyone in your page. Your content should rely on everyone individual, what they are doing, and they need to do with you or to know in par with you. So who is responsible for completing activities? Also, you need to know how many the activities needed to be completed this each week or this week or per monthly. You need to understand that. How many people should be present during physical activities? You need to know that. So as you can align what kind of one you need to analyze. What is the messaging should be presented during the activities? You need to know what if any material are needed for certain activities, what kind of material you need to know. And also ensure that these expectations are clear. What you expect, it's clear and everyone understand and communicable. It's clear and communicated. Just make it clear and communicate to either to every individual in your LLC. Your expectation will be very remarkable if you consider all of these and your expectations is touchable and everyone is understood about your expectation. Second step is selection. In selection, you need to select the way that scheduling will work when it's doubt people doing the activities. Either what kind of selection need to go with it, or members selecting times that are doing activities. Your time is aligning with the other member or other member being in class, then you have LOC meeting. So you need to align your content with their timeline. Are members selecting their times from list limited options? Are the events being scheduled by marketing responsible with the members already assigned to them? You are marketing. And next step number 3 is follow-up. People may forget about what they signed up for especially for those who are signing up for isec.org. So they can forget what they signed up. So you need to make follow-up, you need to make messaging, call them, and then they understand what they are sending in. Make them rewind them, send the overview of all activities that are happening. Even if the event, send them the event updates. Check in with people shortly after an activity. Then after activity, make follow-up. And then either Thanksgiving to them, how did it go? Did anyone create an account? What could be improved upon? So they can make in terms of feedback. Good case practice. Good case practice, what has worked really well in the past, so you can understand what you're going to deal with in next. So this will help you to understand your strategies into next event or next cases. So good case practice for activities is create a master Google Calendar with all activities. You should create Google Calendar of all activities going on. So, and also invite applicable people to event. This can really help with the accountability. After creating Google Calendar, you can assign everyone what activity you need to do. Either if it's LOC meeting and you have your Google Calendar, you will assign everyone maybe team leader to come with their members. So after assigning them, it will be easier for you, your activities to go well and having everything in time. Have a good system of activities. Like maybe you can create a buddy, like someone will be part of someone. So you should not come here without him or her. It will be easier and make you to be having easy task to call or make follow up for other people to come instead of using their buddies. Schedule activities 2 weeks in advance so you can have much time to implement and make activities to be reliable. What do I do with this knowledge? What do you do with this knowledge? So just go and analyze your current system. If what you are really doing is working well, your marketing calendar plan with actual is high, that is great. There might not be that many things can change and all other things are changing, they are attracting each other, the calendar. So that you need to change so their plan and actual or actions to be really visible and measured. Communicate it, and then after communicate it and make people know what your plan, what is your marketing calendar is, how going to implement it, communicate it, talk to the people that would actually be doing the activities, either EBs, LCBs, talk to them and implement, present your calendar to them. Ask questions and to improve your task, to improve your calendar. So as here, now let's go and get 100% marketing calendar implementation, implement it, and in your LOC, either wherever, either in your daily routine, go and implement your calendar, and then have actually be doing at the same time. Thank you.